is similar to the standard algorithm that you were taught. This is just a different way to look at it. It really does help the kids with their division. So the first thing we need is a dividend, and let's do 1,185. And we need to kind of space out our numbers so that we can put other numbers in there when we need to. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. We need our divisor. Let's do the number 6. Now, before we get started, we need to set up our problem with adding a crutch. And our crutch for this one is the facts for 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And we're going to keep going. Whoops. Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We only need to go up to times 9 because we will never ever put more than a single digit up in the divisor. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is look and see that 6 will not go into 1 because 6 is greater than 1. So I'm going to put a 0 in my quotient. Now I'm looking at the number 11. And what I want to do is every time I skip count by my 6, I'm going to put a dash or a line underneath my number. 6, I can't go to 12 because 11 is less than 12. So I know that I've gotten at least 1. So I say 6 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 has one group of 6 and then we have 5 left over. The dots represent my leftovers. So I'm going to put 1 in my quotient, and I'm going to take these 5 dots, I'm going to change it to a 5, I'm going to put it over here. So now I'm dividing 6 into 58. So again, every time I skip count by a 6, I'm going to put a dash underneath. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Now, as you can see, if I went one more, that would be 60. And so that would be times 10, and we don't do that. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Now I'm going to count how many lines I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That goes in my quotient. And my 4 dots, we move over here. Now it's 6 into 45. Okay, again, with my dashes, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. I can't do another one because 48 is more than 45. 42, I add my 1s, 42, 43, 44, 45. My quotient is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 in my quotient, and I have a remainder of 3. Now, one more thing before we finish is we want to check our problem. So I'm going to multiply my quotient times my divisor. 197 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry my 4. 6 times 9 is 54. Plus 4 more is 58. Put my 8 down, carry my 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right now I have 1,182. But I've got to add in my remainder. 2 plus 3 is 5. Bring down my 8, my 1, and my other 1. And we have 1,185, which is 1,185. That's exactly what we started with. So I did my division correctly using the dash dot division.